Okay, last but not least, we're just going to use the Black & Decker to bring this guy down. And we're just going to go with a straight cut and let it fall in the direction that it's leaning. And as you see, once again, the importance of actually putting that notch on the other side. These are probably about as good demonstrations of that fact as the functioning of these saws. So if you slide it on the other side, once again, you wouldn't have that bark peeling like that. All right. There you go. 3 down. Too many left to go. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.